looking at the Mazda 323. In the American market, we call it the Mazda 3. It's also the Mazda Protege, or from the Japanese market, we get the Mazda Familia. The Mazda Familia. This is the 2002, 2001, 2002, 2003 model. A very robust, a very solid car. It's been sitting here for quite a while, so today we've decided to restore it. So the bodywork is not in very bad shape. We've got a few dents here and there. The bumper there needs to be fixed up. The lights need some buffing. There's a dent there. There's a cracked bumper. Yeah, there's some shoddy work done on the bumper there, fixing. The tires are in good condition. See, there's not really much work to do. There's not a lot of work to do. It looks accident free. So we've actually started with the engine work. Then we come to the suspension overhaul, and later on we finish with the body works. We've got some poor job there. There's some cracks on the filler. Let's look at the interior. The interior looks perfect. It looks nice, although we can see lots of dust. It's quite obvious that this car has been sitting here for a long time. On the right armrest we have some crack. That this one can be done by the upholstery guys. The seats are still on the original condition. They're quite comfortable. The controls here and the latches are good. Look at the rear. The interior looks pristine. Oh yeah. And it doesn't smell so nice in here. Probably needs some thorough cleanup. The door closes nicely. Well, let's have a seat and see what we can see here. Oh nice, wow. This feels good. Nice size of the steering. The airbag still intact. And it's not moving up or down. Oh, okay. Probably. Nice. I think they built this car really well. It's an automatic transmission. Very intact. Oh yeah. Nice. These nice compartments. Oh, this is the cup holder. There's a lot of nuts here and there. The armrest compartment. We've got 1, 2, 3 stuff. Conventional handbrake. Oh, the stereo. Probably have some aftermarket Sony stereo. Not so bad, but we're probably going to upgrade it with some nice Android stereo. Let's get to the mechanics and listen to what they have to say. Nice. Okay, so we're doing a great overhaul of the engine. You can see the engine is already dismantled. That's the block. That's the sump. The exhaust system. The cooling system. And that's the cylinder head, of course. So they're doing some thorough maintenance here. We have to do some thorough cleanup. We overhaul, we replace the piston rings and the general overhaul of the engine. That's the rear of the car. See, nice and intact. So nice. So I'll take you through the process of the overhaul, step by step. So hapa tunafanya clean up hiyo mabei palizo marings zinaenda kulalia, checking out the clogging imefanyika na the carbon deposits na uchafu. Widhi uchafu inasababishoga na nini? Uchafu inakuja hapo hivi inasababishoga na hizo
ni oil.
Ni oil eh? Oil. Na hizo makarbon eh? Into carbon deposits. Nice. So they're opening up the crankshaft. Oh yeah. Ndo ifanywe the thorough cleanup yenye inahitajika. So this is the gasket kit. Gasket kit. Kwa hapo ndani. All the seals, all the gaskets available there. Asbestos gasket. So tumetoa hizo rings of them, but boom, one of them actually ya pili imevunjika. I think that's the reason hii gari ilikuwa ina lose compression. Pia tuangalie hizo piston zingine rings zao zinasemaje. Kuna cylinder ilikuwa na shida sana ya compression. I think here we've gotten the culprit. Boom. So things are slowly taking shape here. Things are slowly taking shape. They're done with the cleaning up of the block and the cylinder head. As you can see, the cylinder head, the valves are clogged with carbon here. There'll be some refacing required. But lazima waende wasage hizi beds za cylinders ndio hizo valves zilale poa. So they're done doing the pistons are back in place. We missed, I think, a little bit part where they were replacing the rings, but all is set and done, cleaned up well. Everything going smoothly. Sasa tungoje the next step. You know, oil filter.
Ni oil sucker.
So we're cleaning up the oil sucker, the strainer, cleaning it up. It was quite clogged. We stuff with some petrol. Things are really taking shape. Replace the crankshaft seal. Nice and smart. Good. So now they're working on the cylinder head. We're replacing the camshaft seals. The seals in it,
camshaft seal.
Replacing the camshaft seals. Then get to the valves, work on the valves. It's almost done. We're not very far away. Doing the labeling
Exhaust
to be sure that
the exhaust.
Yeah.
Got two exhaust.
so mnaona na za exhaust kwanza.
Hayo ukichanganya hizi vitu gari itakuwa na sound fulani huko.
Hii inahitaji ujuzi. Hizo mnaweka ni zile za outlets. Zile exhaust. The engine block is safely in its bay. Doing good, doing really, really good. Oh yeah. We're almost there. We're really, really almost there.
Valves guides.
The valve guides all tucked safely in.
Hebu apply hivi.
Here we are again, fixing back the cylinder head, fastening it down to the block. We're almost done here. Can't wait to test it. Trying to see whether we can get the car to run. Putting up the fittings and the pipes and the water pipes. Almost fitting in the radiator. Yeah, so we're actually finishing up. We're doing the final touches here and there. The nitty-gritties of the engine and stuff. Wiring is done. All the harness sockets in place. So we're just installing the water pipes, the cooling system. Yeah, and try to see whether it can run. Sawa. The camshaft seals.
Hebu hisi kingi.
We're now installing the timing belt. A lot of care and precision is required at this stage.
Shikilia hapa juu hapa. Hapa.
pige. Oh, the engine is running. Not very stable, but I think after a few touches it will be as quiet and running smoothly. Oh, this is a great step. Here we go. Our Mazda ZL engine is now running. We'll let them do the checkups, the final touches. Nice job.